Hi everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit 404 page in your Kadence theme. So as you can see that when you open a page it will load that page, but if you do any mistake in the URL then it will go to 404 page. So if I enter a wrong URL it will show a 404 page like this. This page can't be found. So how you can edit this page in Kadence theme? So for this you need to have the Kadence Pro theme plugin so that you can edit the 404 page. So let me just show you how you can do that. So first of all, let me go to the dashboard here. Now let's go to the appearance and let's click on the Kadence theme. So make sure you have to install the Kadence Pro theme plugin, and after that you will see an option hooked element. Just enable that option and click on customize. Now here you need to create a template for the 404 page. So for this let me click on add new element. Now it will ask you to choose the element type. So I will select template here and let me add 404 here. Now you can add the content of your 404 page. So you can add a 404 image. So for this let me go to a site story set and let me click on here. Here you will get a lot of illustrations related to 404 or other illustrations. Here as you can see you will get a lot of illustrations. So let me search for 404, and here you can see there is a lot of 404 illustrations here. So suppose I want to add this image to my 404 page. So I can click on here and I can change this color like this, and I can download it. So let me click on download PNG, or you can download it in SVG format. Now let's click on here and let me add a row layout, and let me click on here and let me add that image. So I will search for image block and let me upload that image. Now let me resize this image and let me make it align center like this. Now let me set this as a 404 page. So for this I will click on here, and here you can set the placement. So let me search for 404. So I will click on replace 404 page content. Let's click on display setting and I will click on 404 not found 404 page, and on user I will set to all user. That's it. Now let me publish this template. Now let me go back and let me visit this site first, and let me enter a 404 page here. And as you can see that we have set our custom 404 page like this. So you can add more content in this page, like you can add a search bar here. So let me do that. So let me click on edit and let me click on this image, and I will click on add after, and let me add a row layout again, and let me click on plus and I will search like this, and let me click on search advanced and let me enable the button here. Now I will select the row layout and let me set the max width to 700 like this, and I can add a background as well. So let me do that, something like this. Now let me click on save and let me refresh this page, and as you can see that we have the search bar, and let's adjust this style and let's add the input spacing. So let me add a right margin here, extra small margin, hit save, and let me refresh it like this. Or you can remove this background color. So this is how you can add different elements to your 404 page. So you can even add post list here. So let me click on the main row layout. So let me add a new row layout here, and let me click on post, and I can display the latest post as well. So let me select the item to 3 So I will display the 3 latest posts in the 404 page, and let me click on advanced, and let me click on content, and let me hide the X of here like this, and let me click on row layout, and let me set it to use theme content inner width. Let's save it, and let me go to 404 page, and here it is. So we have added 3 latest posts in the 404 page. So this is how you can edit 404 page, and you can add any element you want on the 404 page. So for this you need to have the Kadence Pro theme plugin, and after that you will be able to change the 404 template. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and let me know on which topic you want me to make videos next, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.